Good morning. So we're going to finish 3.3, okay, on simple interest. And what we want to know, okay, so let's use an example. So let's say, we have Angel has a savings account. And he deposits $4,000 into his account. So let me write that so you can see that better. So 4,000. Okay. And he leaves it in there for 3.5 years at 5.2%. Okay. And what we want to know is how much simple interest will David earn in the 3.5 years? So how much simple interest is earned? Okay, and then we'll also calculate the balance. Okay, so remember with this, you can drop the percent sign and go to the left, add the decimal and the zero. Okay. 3.5 years, everybody. So for the time, so that one half is, I always think of half a dollar, so 50 cents, so 3.5. Okay. Our $4,000, everybody, is our principal, is our balance. So we're going to go ahead and substitute it in. So interest is going to be equal to 4,000 times 0.052 times our time of 3.5 years. Okay, we multiply it all together. So go ahead and check your answers, everybody. So pause this. You should have gotten 700 and if I read it right, $728. Okay. And then we want to know the balance. So how much money does Angel have in his account? Remember, balance is going to be equal to the principal plus the interest. Okay, so it's going to be 4,000 plus 728. So we're going to have 4,000. So Angel would have $4,728 in his account. So that would be the balance. And this would be the principal. Okay, so let's do another example, everybody. So let's say, what if you had $2,000 in your account? You left it in there for 7 months. Okay. And you had a 5% interest rate. Okay. So our rate, everybody, remember, drop the percent sign and go to the left, so 0.05. Our time is going to be 7 months. Remember, it's time and year. Again, everybody, 12 months in a year. Okay, and then our principal is going to be 2,000. So we're going to go ahead and substitute those all in. So interest is going to be PRT. Okay, so we're going to substitute in this one. So it's going to be 2,000 times 0.05 times, everybody, we have to do parentheses so that it does 7 divided by 12 first. Let me say that again, everybody. 7 divided by 12. Okay. So numerator over denominator. equal numerator divided by the denominator. Everybody, fractions, just another way to write division. Okay. And so we get how much interest is earned. So $58.33. Okay. So everybody, that's if we have the time in months. So how much simple interest? So, okay. Of course, if we wanted to do the balance, everybody, balance is equal to P principal plus the interest. So we just do 2,000 plus the $58.33. So we get $2,058.33. Okay. So that would be for the balance. Okay, so what if we needed to solve for the principal? If we wanted to know how much principal we need, and from section 3.3, this is example 5 in our book. Okay, so how much principal must be deposited to earn, okay, and we wanted to earn $1,000 in 2 years. Okay. Whew. All right, so everybody, so we're gonna use our formula, our principal formula. So remember from our other page of notes, our last page, principal is equal to the interest divided by the rate times time. Okay, so we want to earn $1,000 in interest. Our time is 2 years. Okay, and I forgot to add everybody. So at 5% interest. Okay. So remember, this is going to be our rate. So we're going to drop the percent sign and go to left, add the decimal and the 0. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and substitute all those in. So we're going to get $1,000 divided by 0.05 times 2. Okay, everybody remember you have to do these parentheses so it multiplies first. Okay, so we get that our principal, everybody, would need to be $10,000. Okay. Okay. What if everybody we wanted to double it? Okay. So this is solving for time. So that means that the principal is equal to the interest. Okay, so we're solving for time in this one. So I'll write the question here just for. So how long will it take to double $10,000 at 11% simple interest? Okay, so how long, everybody? So that means that we're solving for time. Okay, remember our principal and interest are the same thing. It's going to be, our rate is going to be 11%. So drop the percent sign and go to left, add the decimal. Okay, so we're going to be using time is equal to the interest divided by the principal times the rate. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and substitute those all in. So 1,000, 10,000 divided by 10,000 times 11% as a decimal, 1100. Okay, and the time that we get everybody is 9.09, and we usually round for time to the 10th place, so 9.1 years. A little over 9 years it would take it to double at that interest rate. Okay, everybody got this?